This video is going to demonstrate producing a pallet of an item in SAP Business One using Agility 360. First, we're going to take a look at our production order. We currently have a production order in the system, order number 577 for item 8542, and we're going to produce two of those to a pallet. This is a larger item. We're going to produce them both to a pallet. And we're going to close out of that. We're also going to take a look at an Agility Explorer grid. This is our inventory pallet view. It's a grid on Agility Explorer on the desktop, and it's going to allow you to see all of the pallets and cartons in the system. As you can see, our most recent pallet is number 9679. So after we do our production pallet, we are going to see that number increase to 9680, and we'll see a new pallet with this item 8542 and a quantity of 2 at the top. I'm going to minimize that, and I'm going to pull up my Agility 360 emulator. This is going to show Agility 360 exactly how it would look on a mobile device in your warehouse. I'm going to switch from distribution over to production and go to pallet production. And now once this loads, I'm going to enter in my order, but first we're going to identify a pallet so we could add the items to an existing pallet if we were doing a variety of different production order items to a pallet. But for this case, we need a new one, so we're going to hit enter, and that's going to create our new pallet. Now we're going to enter in our order 577. And now we are simply going to scan our new bin. It's going to be our production bin 05P. And we're going to do a quantity of 2. Enter that. And now we'll be able to print a new label for the items to label the pallet. I'm just going to print that to screen for this exercise. Here's our new label. Now that that's created, we can jump back over to our Agility grid first and refresh. And there's our new pallet 9680, the correct item 8542, a quantity of 2, and in that bin that we scanned 05P. Now if we jump over to SAP Business One, we're going to see a new receipt from production for that order. Order number 577 with item number 8542 and a quantity of 2. Thank you for watching.